Welcome to BoosterShots. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of gut health. A healthy gut helps us digest food, absorb nutrients, and fight off harmful bacteria. Stay tuned to learn more about why gut health is crucial for our overall well being. But first, let's clarify what we mean by gut. The gut, also known as the gastrointestinal tract, includes the stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. It's located in our abdomen and plays a vital role in breaking down the food we eat, absorb nutrients, and eliminate the waste. You might be wondering, why should I care about my gut? Well, did you know that about 70% of our immune system resides in our gut? That's right. A healthy gut can help us resist illnesses and keep us feeling our best. Plus, our gut health can impact everything from our mood to our energy levels. So let's start with the basics. Our gut is home to trillions of microorganisms, including bacteria, viruses, and fungi. This community is known as the gut microbiome. Think of it as an orchestra where everyone plays a specific role in maintaining harmony. When this balance is disrupted, it can lead to various health issues. One of the key players in gut health is the gut lining. This lining acts as a barrier, preventing harmful substances from entering our bloodstream. When the gut lining is compromised, it can lead to a condition known as leaky gut, which is linked to inflammation and other related health problems. So, how can we support our gut health? It all starts with our diet. Eating a variety of fiber rich foods such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help nourish the good bacteria in our gut. Fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, kombucha, and sourdough also are great for introducing beneficial probiotics into our system. But it's not just what we eat. Lifestyle factors like stress, sleep, and exercise also play a significant role in gut health. Chronic stress can negatively impact our gut, so finding ways to relax and unwind is essential. Regular physical activity can also promote a healthy gut by increasing the diversity of our gut microbiome. Hydration is another crucial factor. Drinking plenty of water helps with digestion and keep things moving smoothly through our digestive tract. Aim for at least 6 to 8 glasses of water a day to stay hydrated and support the gut health. It's also important to be mindful of medications. Antibiotics, for example, can disrupt the balance of our gut and the microbiome therein by impacting both harmful and beneficial bacteria. If you need to take antibiotics, consider taking a probiotic supplement to help restore the balance. Listen to your body. You have probably heard the term gut feeling before. This phrase actually has some scientific backing. The gut and brain are connected through the gut brain axis, a communication network that links our emotional and cognitive centers with our gut. So, when we have a gut feeling, it's our gut and brain working together to send us signals. Pay attention to how different foods and lifestyle choices affect our digestion and overall well being. Everyone's gut is unique. So, what works for one person might not work for another. Finally, maintaining a healthy gut is all about balance. By making mindful choices in our diet and lifestyle, such as cooking more often at home and eating right, we can support our gut health and improve our overall quality of life. It may seem like there's a lot to know, but don't worry. We'll be breaking down these topics and exploring them in detail in our upcoming video series. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living a healthy, balanced life.